Are you tired of endless crunches that might be doing more harm than good, with an 80% chance of not achieving the six-pack you desire? Watch this video to break free from the cycle and discover the real secrets to success. Let's unveil a better path to sculpted abs and protect your body along the way. Before we dive into today's topic, I want you to understand something important. When it comes to visible abs, it all boils down to two simple factors: low body fat and strong core muscles. This is the foundation of our journey, so keep these in mind as we embark on the path to those sculpted abs. Now, let's get started. Myths. Have you ever been told that the key to achieving those coveted six-pack abs is doing countless crunches? It's a myth that has been circulating in the fitness world for years. But what if I told you that the truth is far from what you've been led to believe? In this video, we're going to uncover the real story behind the myth of crunches and their role in achieving six-pack abs. Get ready to separate fact from fiction and embark on a journey to a stronger, more defined core. Let's take a closer look at your belly muscles. They're not one solid structure. They're like pieces of a puzzle. There are three main players: the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles; the obliques, they define your waist; and the transverse abdominis, the hidden core foundation. Why is understanding this anatomy crucial? Think of it as having the map to a puzzle. It's the key to busting the myth about crunches. The star, the rectus abdominis, won't shine without reducing body fat. The obliques and transverse abdominis are your allies in building a strong, stable core that doesn't rely only on crunches. In a nutshell, your journey to those coveted six-pack abs starts with knowing these muscles. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the myth and provide you with the tools you need to reach your fitness goals.
All right, let's dive deep into the fascinating world of fat loss and how it's linked to revealing your six-pack abs. You see, achieving those chiseled abs isn't just about building muscle. It's equally about shedding the layers of fat that hide your hard work. Now, here's the interesting part. Crunches alone won't cut it. They do a fantastic job at toning your abdominal muscles, but they're not the ultimate fat-burning solution. To get those abs to pop, you need to tackle the fat that's covering them. So what's the secret? It's time to decode the science behind effective fat loss. We're about to reveal why crunches should be just one piece of the puzzle on your journey to those sculpted abs. You see, fat loss is like a finely tuned orchestra with various instruments playing a crucial role. We'll explore the role of nutrition, exercise, and even your metabolism in this symphony of fat loss, and we'll show you how to conduct it effectively to uncover those well-defined abs. So stay with us, because by the end of this segment, you'll not only understand the science of fat loss better, but you'll also have the knowledge to make it work for you on your path to a stronger, fitter you. Now let's shift our focus to one of the most vital components of achieving those elusive six-pack abs: nutrition. You might be surprised to discover that what you put into your body plays a significant role in this journey. Crunches alone won't take you to the finish line. In fact, they're just one part of the equation. The other essential piece is maintaining a balanced diet and proper nutrition. Think of it like a two-step process. Crunches build your abdominal muscles, while a healthy diet reveals them by reducing body fat. So it's time to bid farewell to the misconception that crunches are the sole solution. To uncover those hidden abs, it's essential to fuel your body correctly. In this segment, we're going to break down why a balanced diet is the missing element in the puzzle and guide you on how to make it work seamlessly to achieve your six-pack goals. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Let's explore alternatives to crunches that are more effective for building six-pack abs. 1. Plank. The plank is a fantastic exercise for building core strength and sculpting your abs. Unlike crunches, planks engage your entire core, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and lower back. Hold the position for as long as you can to feel the burn and enjoy its versatility for all fitness levels. 2. Leg raises. Target your lower abdominal muscles, often neglected with traditional crunches, by performing leg raises. Lie on your back and lift your legs, focusing on controlled movements without swinging. 3. Bicycle crunches. These engage both upper and lower abs and work your oblique muscles. The twisting motion adds a new dimension to your ab workout. These alternatives provide a more well-rounded approach to building your six-pack. Mix and match them to keep your routine exciting and challenging. Now, let's redirect our attention to a critical player in the quest for visible abs core strength. It's not all about crunches. It's about comprehending how your core muscles play a pivotal role in this journey. Imagine your core as the central hub of your body. It serves as the bedrock for stability, balance, and overall strength, and it's more than just those coveted six-pack muscles. Your core includes the obliques and the transverse abdominis. A sturdy core is the cornerstone for making your abs visible. It's time to liberate ourselves from the crunches-only mindset. Core strength reaches far beyond that limited perspective. In this segment, we'll immerse ourselves in the pivotal role your core plays and delve into how it guides your journey towards sculpted abs. Prepare to uncover why adopting a holistic approach is the true key to success.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the truth about crunches and six-pack abs. If you found this video valuable, remember to check out our previous video on chest development. It's your gateway to building a powerful chest, packed with expert tips and workout routines to help you achieve your fitness goals. Your support means the world to us. Click on that video, learn how to transform your chest, and stay committed to your fitness journey. We'll see you in the next video.